What if we told you that the future of farming looks nothing like the past? Imagine a world where cutting-edge machines, some with 5,000 horsepower, are transforming the way we care for livestock. From automated feeding systems to high-tech transport vehicles, the farming industry is being radically reshaped. These innovations aren't just about convenience. They could be the key to feeding a rapidly growing world population while maintaining sustainability. Stick with us as we explore the game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the livestock sector. Could it be the key to feeding the world in the future? And here on Infinite Farming, we're constantly exploring these futuristic breakthroughs that are reshaping the world of agriculture. This is the place to be if you're curious about what's next in farming and livestock care. So, let's dive into some of the most fascinating technologies that are transforming the way farmers do their work today. Let's start with something you might not expect. Vehicles that transport sheep. Yes, you heard that right. Advanced, specialized transport vehicles are now being used to move tens of thousands of sheep with incredible efficiency. These aren't your regular trucks. With up to 5,000 horsepower, these machines can cover huge distances in no time, drastically cutting down on transportation time and boosting productivity. Transporting livestock across vast distances has traditionally been a logistical nightmare. But with these new vehicles, farmers can now move sheep with less stress, more speed, and greater safety for the animals. The technology behind these vehicles focuses on increasing fuel efficiency, reducing wear and tear, and ensuring that the livestock is comfortable during long journeys. Some of the leading designs even boast automatic climate control systems, animal monitoring systems, which can track the health of the sheep throughout the journey. These vehicles are changing the way farmers think about transport. No longer are long-haul trips a major concern. The ability to transport livestock with minimal human intervention and maximum efficiency could become the standard. And with that, questions arise. Could this same technology be applied to other livestock, like cattle or pigs? Some insiders speculate that these vehicles could be adapted for larger animals too, completely transforming the landscape of farm transport. Will we see electric-powered transporters in the near future to further reduce emissions? The potential for innovation here is massive. Now, let's talk about feed, because what goes into your livestock directly affects their productivity. Enter the Jiler 5050 Mini TMR Mixer. This compact powerhouse has a 60 horsepower engine that makes mixing various feed types for sheep quicker and more precise. It's a game changer, allowing farmers to ensure their livestock gets the right nutrition every time. The Jiler 5050 is designed to meet the increasing demands of livestock farmers who are focused on improving the quality of the feed. By precisely mixing silage, hay, grains, and other feed types, farmers can provide the best possible nutrition to their animals. The importance of proper feed cannot be overstated. Healthy, well-fed animals lead to more efficient farming, higher yields, and better overall farm productivity. But here's the twist. Some farmers are skeptical about how much these machines will disrupt traditional feeding methods. The question remains, will these machines replace manual labor entirely, or will they create a new set of challenges for smaller farms? Some argue that smaller operations might not be able to afford these machines, which could lead to a further concentration of farming power in the hands of larger agricultural companies. While some embrace automation as the future of farming, others are concerned about its impact on the agricultural workforce. The idea of robots and machines taking over more tasks might sound appealing for large-scale operations, but it also presents a problem for farmers who rely on manual methods or smaller, more traditional ways of doing things. This ongoing debate highlights a larger question. Will technology truly make farming more efficient for everyone, or is it only for those who can afford the latest tech? As we dive deeper into the automation revolution, we can't overlook the Serikstad Flexi feed round bale cutter. With a 100 horsepower engine and a smart conveyor system, this machine not only cuts and distributes feed, but also optimizes the feeding process. Efficiency is the name of the game here. This technology is helping farmers manage feed delivery with a level of consistency that was once impossible. Traditionally, feeding livestock was a time-consuming and labor-intensive task, but with machines like the Serikstad Flexi feed round bale cutter, farmers can now ensure that every bale of feed is cut and distributed evenly. This precision means less feed waste, more consistent nutrition for the animals, and an overall boost in efficiency for the entire operation. It's one of the key innovations in modern farming that demonstrates just how much technology is reshaping agriculture. But here's where it gets interesting. There are talks that future versions of this machine might be able to analyze the nutritional content of the feed in real time, adjusting delivery based on what each animal needs. The possibilities are mind-blowing, but there's some serious debate about how practical this might be on a large scale. Could it really work on every farm? As the industry moves towards smart farming, integrating sensors and AI with these machines could be the next logical step. Imagine a farm where the machines not only deliver feed, but also analyze the health of the animals and adjust the feed accordingly. While the future is full of potential, many farmers are cautious about how much automation they're willing to adopt. After all, with new technology comes new challenges, and integrating AI into farming will require significant investment and training. When we talk about the backbone of modern livestock farming, we can't forget about tractors. But not just any tractors, machines like the Fendt Farmer 304 paired with the Trilliatromix 800 self-loading feed mixer. This powerhouse duo is quickly becoming the go-to for efficient silage cutting, mixing, and distribution. It's all about speed and precision, drastically improving how livestock feed is handled. The Fendt Farmer 304 tractor is a workhorse in the field, delivering 95 horsepower to tackle tough tasks like tilling and hauling heavy loads. When paired with the Trilliatromix 800, a self-loading feed mixer that cuts, mixes, and distributes feed in one smooth process, the efficiency of the farming operation skyrockets. It saves time, reduces the need for manual labor, and ensures that the feed is consistently mixed and distributed, making it ideal for larger operations. However, don't be fooled. There are ongoing conversations about whether smaller farms can afford these high-tech machines. Some argue that these innovations are pushing small-scale farmers out of the market, and with the price of advanced machinery rising, will it become a barrier to entry for newer farmers? The cost of these innovations can be staggering, and the question remains, will small, family-owned farms be able to keep up with these advancements? As larger operations take advantage of these machines, the concern is that smaller farmers will be left behind. This debate isn't just about money, it's also about accessibility. Farmers who can't afford the latest machinery may find themselves relying on outdated technology, or worse, being pushed out of the market entirely. The question is whether these innovations will help small farmers keep pace, or make it even harder for them to survive in an increasingly competitive industry. Next up, we've got a real productivity booster, the Hustler SL360X Bale feeder. With a 110 horsepower engine, this machine offers a perfect balance between power and versatility. It's changing the way farmers feed their animals, helping them save time and labor. You can expect faster operation, which means less manual work and more time spent focusing on other crucial tasks. The Hustler SL360X is designed to reduce waste and increase the efficiency of feeding. With adjustable settings, it allows farmers to distribute the right amount of feed at the right time, cutting down on feed costs. It's also extremely reliable, which means less downtime and more time spent working the fields. This technology has quickly become a favorite for those who are looking to streamline their operations and boost productivity. But what's the catch? Some farmers have expressed concerns about the machine's learning curve, claiming that while it improves productivity, it requires a level of skill to operate effectively. So, is it worth the investment for those just starting in livestock farming? Only time will tell. As with any new technology, there is always a period of adjustment, and the question remains whether the benefits will outweigh the challenges for farmers. What if we told you there was a machine that could spread straw more efficiently than ever before? The Almond, a 5-straw spreader, is revolutionizing straw distribution. With its 95 horsepower engine, it ensures even coverage across large areas, saving time and improving farm efficiency. Then, there's the MTS Stamen Silage Transport Machine. Operating with a powerful 150 horsepower engine, it streamlines silage transport, ensuring livestock get consistent feed at the right time. These machines are designed to minimize labor and improve feed consistency, which in turn boosts animal productivity. But here's something that's getting people talking. Some insiders claim there are new innovations in the works that could automate the entire straw and silage distribution process. Imagine a farm where everything is managed by automated systems. Could this be the next frontier? As we move toward more efficient, automated systems, the role of farmers may shift. Instead of manual labor, the focus will be on overseeing and managing high-tech operations. Could this be a positive development, or is it something we need to be cautious about? That's a discussion that continues to evolve in the industry. So, what's next for livestock farming? With technologies like these shaping the industry, one thing is clear. We're entering a new era of farming. From transport to feed delivery and straw spreading, machines are enhancing every aspect of livestock care. But the question remains, how far will this go? Will it change the role of traditional farmers, or is this just the beginning of a farming revolution that will open new doors? As technology continues to advance, we may soon see fully automated farms where human workers are more like overseers than hands-on laborers. The question is, will this improve the quality of life for farmers, or will it lead to further disparities between small and large farms? We want to hear your thoughts. Are these advancements the future, or will they just become another chapter in the story of farming? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this exploration of livestock farming technology exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infinite Farming for more insights into the cutting-edge technologies transforming the agricultural world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest farming innovations.